everyone. My name's Nina Whitney. I'm a NOAA Climate and Global Change Postdoctoral Fellow. I'm just finishing up my second year of my postdoc. For the most part, I was based at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, working under the supervision of Dr. Conrad Hewen and Dr. Caroline Umenhofer. Now that I'm finishing up my postdoc, I've moved across the country to take a position at Western Washington University. So my research focuses on understanding past changes in ocean conditions and how that affects past changes in our climate. My PhD work was on looking at geochemistry in clamshells in the western North Atlantic. So specifically, I was working with these guys, ocean quahogs, Arctica icelandica. These are the longest living non-colonial animal in the world. They can live up to 500 years. And much like trees grow in annual rings, these guys can grow and precipitate their shell in annual increments, which means they give us hundreds of years of annually resolved ocean data based on the chemistry in their shells. My postdoc has allowed me to expand this research to look at incorporating ocean model simulations and climate model simulations into my work with isotope reconstructions. And so specifically, I've been using a climate model simulation that's been run over the last 1,000 years using our best understanding of climate forces such as volcanoes, solar intensity, greenhouse gases, and that's allowed us to broaden our understanding of our isotope records both spatially and temporally, so that we can better understand what's driving the variability that we see in the reconstructions we get from the clamshells, as well as some of the drivers of that variability. Ultimately, the goal is to better understand the current changes we see in the oceans by putting those in a broader context, understanding the natural variability in the system, what drives this natural variability, and all of this will allow us to better predict what may happen in our oceans with future increases in anthropogenic greenhouse gases. So that's my research in a nutshell, and thanks very much for listening.